Welcome to LeMans Jaguar Service Brisbane, your dedicated destination for precision and excellence in Jaguar care. Our specialised facilities, staffed by skilled technicians, is committed to delivering top-tier service for your Jaguar. At LeMans Jaguar Service Brisbane, we offer a comprehensive range of services, from routine maintenance to advanced diagnostics and specialised repairs. With meticulous attention to detail, our team ensures that your Jaguar receives the expert care it deserves, combining technical expertise with a deep appreciation for Jaguar's distinguished engineering. With full-service workshops at Milton, Newstead, West End, Gabba and Bulimba, it's sure to be your most convenient Jaguar service yet. Trust us to elevate your Jaguar driving experience with unparalleled service that prioritizes longevity and optimal performance. Your satisfaction